Welcome to yet another session on Linux and shell scripts with AWS. In this session, you are going to learn about a while loop in shell script. First, let me log into AWS console. Then go to running instances. Go and select the action. You can view details. Here, go and start the instance. So the running instances goes to running state, copy the IP, go to PuTTY, copy the IP here, go to SSH, auth, add the private key which you created, enter the passphrase and username. To understand the syntax of while loop in shell script, I have taken an example of checking if the input string is a palindrome or not. I am reading the string from command line or positional parameters. So let me get into the editor. So vi palindrome.sh. So this is the file. So what I am doing here is the first parameter that I am going to pass, that will be $1, and that is assigned to a variable called str. So how do I execute it? I write sh palindrome.sh. Madam is the positional parameter. So suppose I assign str equal to madam, and if I want to find length of a string in Unix, I can write expr length $str, and echo is to print it on the console. So length is an operator to find length of the string. So I am going to use the same expression in my shell script. Remember that you have to enclose expr, the complete sentence, within a grave accent and assign it to L. L is the length of the string, and here why I require length, because I need to extract the characters of the string from the last, from the end, and that I can do it using a pipe by writing echo $str, pipe it with cut -c $L. This will cut the last character of str, and that I am assigning to a variable last. rev is the empty string that stores the reverse string. So this is how I am going to type it. Rev is the empty string, last is the last character which is cut from str. Now here, if I take this example, madam is the input string. First character that is cut is M. Then I have to go iterating this. So for that I am going to use a while loop. So this is the syntax: while test $L not equal to 0. That means I read the string from the end. So length is 5, so it will cut M, and till the length does not become 0, you keep on getting the last character, concatenate with reverse string, that is rev, by writing $rev $last, and that you store it back in rev. And length is decremented by 1. So first time I cut the character at 5th position, then 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So when L becomes 0, it doesn't enter the loop. And any loop you start with do and end it with done. That is the syntax. So here I have copied the same code here. Now I am printing $REV just to check if I am getting the reversed string. So I'll write and quit from the editor. Now I execute by writing sh palindrome .sh and I enter the input string as say computers. So I am getting computers in reverse order. So it is echoing all the characters from end till the first character. That I am printing one by one, so I am getting one below the other. Finally, I am echoing the reverse string. So now we need to check if reverse string is equal to the original string. So I am writing if test $str equal to $REV, then so I have told you the syntax for if and else in the previous session. So then echo, it's a palindrome, or I'm just printing palindrome. Then else echo not a palindrome. Then end if with 5. Now save, quit, execute it. Now here we get it is a palindrome, which is not correct. It's printing it is a palindrome. So there is something wrong here. Here we have to use a space before and after equals. So that you need to remember. So whenever you are comparing two strings or applying some comparison between two variables, there should be a space before and after the operator. So let me execute it once again. Now I am entering madam, so it is printing palindrome. Now if I enter something else, computers, it says it is not a palindrome. So this is how you write a shell script using a while loop to check if the input string is a palindrome or not. Please do subscribe for more updates and more learning. Thank you.